Listen, we know winter can be tough on any car, but your Chevy EV, it's built for this. Here's how to make the most out of your vehicle with the advanced tech features, especially during the colder months. Let's explore how to enhance your experience while staying warm and ready to drive. First, when possible, keep your Chevy EV plugged in when not in use. In colder weather, this ensures your vehicle stays charged and helps maintain the optimal battery temperature for better performance and extended range. When temperatures drop, preconditioning your cabin is essential. While your vehicle is plugged in overnight, you can program it to reach the ideal cabin temperature before your morning drive. Use the vehicle's scheduling system to set your preferred time and temperature. It'll use grid power, not your battery, for heating. You can even customize schedules for each day of the week. Think of it as your own personal smart thermostat. And don't forget about the remote start feature. It allows you to precondition your EV from a distance. With no engine running or emissions, you can safely activate remote start even in your garage. Your Chevy EV comes equipped with a highly efficient heat pump. This technology captures heat from various sources, like regenerative braking or even a passenger's exhaled breath, and converts it to usable energy. This system then redeploys the energy to where it's needed, such as heating the cabin or heating the battery. By staying plugged in, preconditioning the cabin, and using the heat pump system effectively, you'll maximize your Chevy EV experience even in the chilliest conditions.